So I'm directing in the text, I'm directing them to check their email and check their spam folder, right? I also like to send text and say, hey, I just sent you an email. Because they're like, what are you talking about? What email? Okay, and then they go check. Then I'm also sending them instructions in the email. So they bought a masterclass from me. Now I'm going to automate the product delivery and send it to them immediately. And I'm doing this in my workflow. Then I'm also sending them event reminders here. So I can actually tie this into the timing of my masterclass, and I can say, hey, the masterclass starts in 2 days. Hey, the masterclass starts in 30 minutes. And I'm sending them a text, and my show up rate is incredible because they're getting the notifications on their phone. And you can also tie this into Messenger if you want. So you can send them a Messenger blast, you can send them a text, and you can send them an email. They're going to show up. The more times you hit them up, the more chance that they're going to actually show up to your masterclass, okay?